Hello and welcome, my fellow Americans. Today I would like to address to you that I, Hunter Hayseed, will be running for governor of South Kentucky. Since my running in this campaign has began, the price of Boy Scout juice has dropped 15%. I would also like to thank my sponsors, NASCAR and Hamburger Helper, for putting a meal on the table for me and my family after a long, hard day of work. Now, to my understanding and knowledge, global warming is a hoax created by people who are trying to put America down. But that's not what we're about down here in the South. We're all about race it, break it, fix it, repeat. If we live life by these simple mottos, we will come through stronger and break the access of evil. Now, as you might have seen on the news, many Yankee gangsters have been taking over the streets of South Kentucky. I am not okay with this. I'll be putting an end to this. No more low-riding, hip-hop blaring music. This is the South. We listen to country. By buying my bumper sticker, race it, break it, fix it, repeat, you will support my campaign to put an end to these Yankee delinquents in their non-patriotic ways. Thank you.